In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete calendar events on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Calendar app. If on a particular day we have an event, it will show us that gray dot just under the current day. And then if we get into that day, it will show us all our events for the day in chronological order. As you can see here, I got some event, and in order to delete that event, we need to tap on it. Down below here we can easily find delete event, and if that event is repeating, we'll be asked if we would like to delete this event only, or if we would like to delete all the future events. I'm gonna choose that option. As you can see, that event and all its future copies has just been successfully removed. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.